I used to avoid mirrors at parties, not because I didn't like how I looked, but because I didn't want to see how invisible I felt. But what if I told you that one change, just one, flipped my entire social life upside down? Stick with me for the 4 minutes. I'm going to share exactly how weight loss didn't just transform my body, it gave me the confidence to be seen. And I'll give you the 5 tips that help me own every room I walk into, no matter what size I was. You know what's wild? I didn't even realize I was isolating myself until I started losing the weight. The fear of judgment, the awkward silence after laughing too loud, the feeling of being the before photo in someone else's mind. At my heaviest, I stopped going to weddings. I ghosted birthday parties. I even skipped my own family reunion. I told myself I was too busy, but deep down I was terrified. Terrified of comments, of side glances, of not knowing what to wear that wouldn't feel like a spotlight on my body. Science shows that social anxiety and body image issues often fuel each other. When we feel uncomfortable in our bodies, our brain's amygdala, the fear center, goes into overdrive. This triggers social threat perception. Translation: we think people are judging us even when they're not. The weight on your body becomes the weight on your confidence. But here's the truth bomb. Confidence isn't born, it's built. With action, not perfection. I didn't wake up one day feeling confident because I lost 10 pounds. I started feeling confident when I saw myself keeping promises to myself. My first win wasn't weight-related. It was saying yes to a friend's invitation and actually showing up. I wore my biggest dress and still felt exposed. But I went. And you know what? No one laughed. No one whispered. In fact, someone said, "I've missed seeing you around." Here are the 5 exact things I did to become socially confident again, even before I hit my goal. Weight 1. Power posture before every event. Before walking into a room, I spent 2 minutes in a power pose. It sounds silly, but studies show it lowers cortisol and boosts confidence. Shoulders back, head high, deep breath. Your body leads and your mind follows. 2. Prep 3 go-to conversation starters. Being prepared made me feel powerful. Ask questions, compliment someone, talk about the music, food, or how you know the host. Take the pressure off you and focus on them. 3. Dress like the future you. Not when I lose weight clothes. Dress for the energy you want to show. When I wore colors that made me feel alive, people noticed me, not my size. 4. Say yes to one social thing per week. I built my confidence like reps at the gym. One invite, one walk, one coffee meetup. Progress over perfect. Every yes got easier. 5. Celebrate the inner wins. Weight loss will change your look, but confidence comes from noticing how you feel. More energy, more eye contact, less apologizing for taking up space. The truth is, people never needed you to be smaller. They needed you to show up. Your smile, your laugh, your stories. Confidence doesn't come from a scale. It comes from showing up for your own life, in the body you're in today. But if you're on this journey like I was, know this. Every pound I lost, I gained a piece of my freedom back. This isn't just about weight loss. It's about reclaiming your seat at the table and laughing out loud without checking who's watching. If you've ever skipped a party because of how you felt about your body, if you've ever rehearsed what to say because you feared being awkward, you're not alone. But here's your sign. You are worthy of connection. You deserve to be seen. Don't overthink about your body image.